Okay, so we had issues with consistency in the spray painting, so this was Kelly's
solution. Except this spray paint is like 3 years old.
Yeah. So, tip: get new
spray.
Yeah. Don't use 3-year-old spray paint. How are you spending your weekend without kids? This is how we're eating.
Yeah, you guys all had another idea.
Yeah, I did not buy anything extra.
Why did you do so bad, John?
But you can.
I feel like this is wrong.
Yeah. Mine is better.
It's gonna get me ready for my.
Hey, Kelly. Have you done your 2 push-ups this year?
I think that was last year's goal and I've abandoned it. Your tripod is not in the laundry room. I'll show you where it is. It's serving a much more useful function.
Is that a toilet paper holder?
Well, we haven't needed it in a while, so.
Is that enough? It needs to go more. It's a paper.